Alright, so I was unhappy with those results. Normally it takes it right out. 2,500 to 3,000 does. If it doesn't, which is our case, it unfortunately did not, especially with the 83 side. Now I just went over it with 105, which has a lot more filler in it than 83, but you can definitely still see scratches there, as you can see. So there's another trick I've got. This little pad here, it came in a 3M kit. I picked it up at Advanced Auto, and I normally wouldn't have, but it came with 3 pads, one of which was this big one I've got, a cutting, polish, and then a final coat pads. It also came with a compound, a polish, and a wax. It came with this little guy. Was that it? I think that was it. Normally it was $60. Advance had it on clearance for $17.99. I think I got it for. So if you can, if you can find one, and I have other posts about it, definitely pick one up. What we're going to do now is we're going to use this little guy to take the remainder of the scratches out. Now, if you can't find a kit like this or a special scratch pad like that, basically what you should do is you should always start with the smallest amount of sandpaper you need to. And if that doesn't take it out, I'm sorry, the highest grit. Highest grit. And if that doesn't take it out, here's my dog. If that doesn't take it out, work your way down. So if you do the 3,000 on it, you can still see it kind of, go down to 2,500. If that doesn't do it, go down to 2,000. If that doesn't do it, 1,500. Basically, the polishes will take them out. It's just a matter of how many times you're going to do those polishes, okay? And thankfully, I can actually show you, because I'm not going to be using the PC, how to take it out. Now the 3M directions say go in a circular motion, so that's what I'm going to do. It says put the 3M cutting compound on it and go in circular motion. I'm not, I'm using the 83. So it should work just fine. Let's see if I can get up the scratches there. You can see them there kind of. Circular motion, basically until it dries. Alright, that's good enough. Why still not the dog? Don't know if you can hear that, it's kind of funny. Okay, so basically we've got the same effect that the sandpaper made, but now I don't really see the scratches very much, which is good. I do a little bit still, so I'm going to do that section again. It's fine to repeat this kind of stuff. And it also depends on, I mean, what your scratches are in. I didn't talk about this earlier, but if they're in your clear, chances are you can bring them out. If they're not, if they're down to bare metal, you're screwed. You just gotta add paint to it. There's no buffing it out. That should go without saying, but you know, better safe than sorry. I don't want to give you false hope if it's bare metal you're trying to buff out, because you'll buff forever and it won't work. Still yelling at the dog. Still makes me laugh. Okay.
You seriously being freaking
Psycho?
Oh.
Alright, now you can see scratches are basically gone after a second time. I'm turning the Porter cable. I'm actually going to use the M105 since that's the pad I've got on it. Actually, no, I'm not going to try it. Alright, be right back.